When it comes to improving your home in Des Allemands, few upgrades make as big an impact as new doors. A well-chosen entry or interior door does more than enhance curb appeal. It also affects energy efficiency, durability, and security. The key to success lies in selecting the right material. Each option comes with unique benefits, and the best choice depends on your lifestyle, budget, and local climate conditions. Why door material matters. Your door isn't just a passageway. It's a barrier against the elements, a layer of security, and a design feature that sets the tone for your home. Des Allemands homeowners face a warm, humid climate and the potential for heavy storms, making material selection even more important. The right material ensures your doors last longer, require less maintenance, and continue to perform well through the years. Popular door materials for Des Allemands homes. Wood doors. Wood has long been a favorite for its timeless beauty and traditional charm. Solid wood doors can be crafted from oak, mahogany, or pine, each offering distinct grain patterns and character. Pros: natural warmth, excellent insulation, and customizable designs. Cons: more prone to warping, swelling, or rotting in high humidity if not properly sealed. For homeowners who value aesthetics and are willing to maintain them, wood doors are a classic investment. Steel doors. Steel is one of the strongest and most secure options available, making it a great choice for entryways. Pros: high durability, excellent security, and energy efficiency when insulated. Resistant to cracking and warping. Cons: can dent or scratch, and may rust over time if not properly coated. Steel doors are practical for families who want peace of mind and a material that withstands daily wear and tear. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass has become increasingly popular in Louisiana homes thanks to its resilience and versatility. Pros: low maintenance, energy efficient, and highly resistant to moisture. Fiberglass can mimic the appearance of wood without the upkeep. Cons: slightly higher upfront cost than steel or basic wood doors. This material is ideal for Des Allemands' humid climate, offering durability and long-term performance. Aluminum doors. Lightweight yet sturdy, aluminum doors are often used for storm doors or patio entryways. Pros: rust-resistant, lightweight, and available in a wide range of finishes. Cons: not as energy efficient as fiberglass or insulated steel, and can dent. Aluminum doors work well for secondary entrances or as storm protection layers. Glass doors. Full or partial glass doors bring natural light into your home and create a modern, open feel. Pros: brightens interiors, creates a stylish design statement, and can be paired with energy-efficient glazing. Cons: requires more cleaning, can compromise privacy unless frosted or tinted, and may need reinforcement for security. Glass doors are popular for patios, decks, and back entrances where style and visibility are key. Climate considerations. In Des Allemands, given the region's hot, humid summers and storm-prone seasons, doors must resist moisture, heat, and wind. Fiberglass and steel stand out for their ability to handle these conditions with minimal maintenance. For homeowners who prefer wood, protective finishes and regular care will be essential. Choosing materials with good insulation also helps keep cooling costs down, a big plus during Louisiana's long summers. Balancing style and function beyond practicality, your door should complement the architectural style of your home. Whether you live in a traditional cottage, a modern build, or a southern-inspired design, materials come in finishes and styles to suit your taste. From stained wood to sleek steel panels or decorative glass inserts, the right choice blends function with visual appeal. Final thoughts: choosing the right materials for door installation in Des Allemands homes comes down to striking the balance between durability, energy efficiency, security, and style. Wood offers timeless charm, steel ensures unmatched strength, fiberglass provides long-lasting performance, and glass creates a modern, airy atmosphere. By carefully considering your home's needs and the Louisiana climate, you'll be able to select a door that enhances both comfort and curb appeal for years to come.